Hi all. So today's video, I will tell you how to create a free Azure account. So this is the mandatory one we need to before we need to start our Azure training because we need a free account to do some kind of services, implement and check is it working or not. So first you need to create the Azure portal. So I will write here. I think maybe you can say we need to create an Azure account. That is the first thing we need to do. Uh, so create an Azure account. The next will be, so once you create the Azure account, how we can create? We can create with the help of Gmail. Gmail you can use or your phone number. Your phone number you can use anything we can use there. Then once you create the Azure free account, I will tell you what other things you can do. So I think how we can do you can search on the Azure free trial account in the Google. When you search on it, you will get this link. So you can click on create your Azure free account today. So this is the first link you want to open. Then in the left right side top, there is a sign button. Click on sign. We need to write the email ID because whatever the email ID you have, you can write here. So I'm writing. So I'm writing my email address. Okay. Then next. Okay. So that means the new one, we need to create a new one. Existing, it will not available. So we are creating a new one. So create a new account, create a new one. Click on this one. Study with me, studenthelp@gmail.com. Password. Whatever the password you want to set, you can add it here. So I set my password. Next, once we complete this one, we will get a code on the particular email ID we mentioned here. So you can check your email ID. Then the email ID, I got a number. So I'm writing here. Then next. Then you will get some kind of puzzle. Okay. So you need to fill on this one. Then only the account will be verified. So you can see here it is working. Please solve the puzzle as we know you are not a robot. Okay. Pick the dice fell force top side are up to 8. So I'm picking this one. One. Done. Next one. This one. And this one. This one. So one more thing. Up to 8. It will take some time because we need to find, right? Add up to which is the 8. Yes. So almost completed. Then we need to look on this one. It will take some time to create your free Azure account. Okay, so it is login. Yes. So our first account Azure free account is created. So the start tool, where it is given like that: resource group, home, Azure services, common tasks, recently used resources, online training, the Azure blogs, more. Dashboard. View your customized dashboard that display the exactly what you want: resource, services, alert, tutorials, etc. So that means exact kind of dashboard. Then all services. Browse the variety of available services. For example, Azure Data Factory is one of the best services provided by the Azure portal. Databricks and the data storage account, blob storage. These are the service account, right? So this is the one we can see here. Then all resources, resource group, and the browse all your favorite services to modify your favorite. Select all services and toggle with the star icon. Then, so whatever the services we need, that we can display here. So we can add the services also. If you are frequently using ADF database, that also you can ping there. Then the search bar, what are the things you want? The search bar also we are looking if we are searching data factory. So you can search and click on that search button. We can find the search, Azure Data ADF search we can see. Quickly find the resources you are looking. So exactly same. Then directory subscriptions. Switch between the directory or use global subscription filter to the resource in a portal. We can filter because different resource groups are there. We can filter by its own. Okay, so subscription. We are first initially we are doing the like we are doing uh, free subscription, right? So if you are using some kind of ADF or data bricks, it will take some cost or take some free credit from our already existing account. So once you, if you are using continuously, that credit we can update here because we can give $200 credit every day. Hmm. Notification. Status of the information help. Open support from the from to the Microsoft. Then account information, finish. So this is the Azure free account we are created. I think hope you're clear. Then we need to give the credit cards details also. Then only it will be make it possible. So that I will share with you. Okay. Once we complete this one, we need a Azure account, right? We completed the Azure account using the any phone number or mail ID. This one we completed. And next thing we need to do, we can apply the Azure free subscription, right? For the subscription tab, we need to do subscription tab. So you can see searching the subscription. Then the click on the subscription, you can see add button. You can use this free trial for the free account. Then you can apply your profile, country, first name, middle name, last name here, then email address, PAN card number, phone, then PAN ID. It is PAN ID. Phone is mandatory, email address is mandatory, and your organization. If you want, you can view the organization, address line, address to city, state, and postal code. Once you complete those things, you can apply this one and give the next button. Then using one more thing you can do, identify the verification of credit card. You can give the credit card number and you get the notification like 1 rupees from your account. So that will be the things you can do here. Once you do this one, you can enter your free subscription. Popular services for free for 12 months and 55 services always free. 1300 means almost $200 credit are used for the next 30 days. If it is not available because we cannot, it was there is some free limit also there. then we can use in the next time, but it will be free, pay as you go category. So that will be the thing. Once I give this thing, I will add the credit card number, then I can move into the next window. So, okay, once you enter the card details and your name and your address, you will get kind of subscription. And the 30 days, next 30 days, it will be free. So you can click on the subscription. You can see in the free trial, the free trial account, and it is active. And the top you can see you have get this much of credit for remaining for the subscription. Once we complete the next 30 days, it will be go to the pay as you go subscription. But we can use the remaining credit. Okay. So that will be the one we will clear. So then we can start this one. So this is the prerequisite. Thank you.